This is the Movement. It's a thermal printer that allows you to print out shipping labels for your business. I had this for about 4 years now. So there's a lot of reasons why I love this printer, but it's been long enough and it's time for an upgrade. This is the Rollo thermal printer. So this is inkless and tonerless. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be going over why I upgraded from this, the Moving, to the new Rollo printer while I unbox. So the first thing I do want to talk about is the speed on the Rollo printer. By no means is the movement slow, but when you have about 50 orders a day and you just came from work, you want to get done these orders as fast as possible and send them to the post office. I have seen videos of the Rollo just moving way faster than the movement, so it kind of made it more appealing to me and something that I definitely wanted to get. Now, the cost of the Rollo is a bit expensive. I believe I paid about $230 for it. That's because it was on a Black Friday sale, but originally the price is like $280. But I have ran through, like I said, 2 movements in the past 3 years. So the price of 2 movements is the price of 1 Rollo. So overall, I feel like I'm definitely going to get my money's worth. So I'm not really worried about it. And if I literally sit here and tell you guys about the time that I dropped my computer messing with the movement, because I have a MacBook Pro, so therefore I have to connect my cords from the movement to my MacBook and then to an adapter piece so it could go in my MacBook, and I dropped it. Messing with the movement, messing with all of the cords, it's just not worth it. I'd rather pay the money and be wireless and be free than they have to deal with so much drama, the cords, the wires. It's just annoying after a while. As far as the aesthetics of the machine, the Rollo definitely had a much sleeker build compared to the bulkiness of the Rollo. Since I was looking for something that will save me with space, the Rollo was definitely the winner. And also, guys, it's wireless. The big problem that I had with the Moving is the fact that it wasn't wireless, and it was kind of like false advertisement on the Amazon link. So it said that I'll be able to have wireless capabilities, but really once you get the Moving, you're only able to print wirelessly on their app with printing out like little pictures and gimmicky stuff. Something else that I really wanted to talk about was the build quality compared to the Moving and the Rollo. The Rollo build quality was a lot better, and even though the machine is plastic, it did seem like it was a more sturdy and reliable plastic. I have went through 2 movements in the past 3 years, and it was due to like faulty cords and just the moving low-key kind of like falling apart. And guys, it did come with some of the Rollo labels. So it's 500 in this box. Now, I do have a couple of questions about using it with other labels, because I had to move in for so long that I still do have a lot of their products, and I'm kind of curious to see if it will work with the Rollo. I will be making a video about that also. And guys, stay tuned, because I'll be making a video on setting this whole wireless printer up and actually showing you guys how to get it done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.